today we're going to do the spicy noodle challenge.
Yep.
I'm so scared.
Right.
Like,
honestly. But I think it's going to be good. I kind of have a cold, so I'm excited for it to bun the cold out of me.
yes.
Yeah.
So this is Tidal, and this is Mariah. You've seen Mariah in one of our previous videos, but this is our other sister.
And she also has a YouTube, so you guys should go and subscribe.
I do.
Just go and subscribe to her channel. I'm
Yeah.
gonna put everything in the description box below English. So yeah, so we're doing the spicy noodle challenge. This is what we're doing. We mix 2 bags of these, and we're going to eat it.
Can we start by saying that we went on a hunt for these noodles?
Right.
Yeah.
They were so hard to find.
Finally found them.
So yeah, guys.
So the rules are, when you eat them, whoever picks up their glass first
Is
is
disqualified.
eliminated. Whoever eats it off first wins.
And what if we don't eat it off?
Then whoever eats the most wins.
Okay, so you guys ready? You want to do it with a timer?
I should feel like we should do this. So we're going to Chick-fil-A after. The winner gets their food paid for.
Okay, yeah, let's do that. Agreement?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like,
So let me tell you something. I'm now gonna win. I am gonna win. You think it's a joke? I have Caucasian taste buds, but me I go win just because I want freeness.
Guys,
Okay.
these are the noodles.
So these are the noodles.
And
Okay, you guys ready?
wait, are we
timing
starting a timer?
Yeah, here's a timer.
I can't.
We're gonna do a timer. We're gonna see. So it has to be under 5 minutes. Let's keep
5?
it short
I'm
and
actually
sweet.
so hungry. I'm so excited to eat it.
Under 5 minutes.
Under 5 minutes.
I only like spices, you whores.
I'm gonna win this. I already know this. Out of everyone here, I'm gonna win.
I love
Okay, wait.
right.
Hold on. Let me just. Everybody, I prep them something. When I know some more mix up.
Whoever drinks their juice first, their milk first, is out.
Really?
No, if you finish first, just drink, right?
If you finish, you can drink.
Yeah,
Though. You already
but
done
But
it.
if you haven't finished, are you marks? Get
Get
set,
set,
go. Mm-mm.
Huh. I don't like how this tastes.
The first, like when I bit. Yo.
Okay, why are you rushing?
Because I want to win.
Okay, Tana really wants her Chick-fil-A paid for.
I put it in my mouth and I'm like, okay, it's not that bad. But then when I actually started swallowing.
Jesus Christ.
And that's how a winner wins, bitch.
But in all fairness, she had the least, right? Because I was at the end.
No, sir.
It's actually not that bad.
Okay, look at me.
I'm done. Pop them out.
What did you say when you were sharing this out? Oh, this bowl has the most?
Mm-hmm. You had the most.
It's actually good.
I don't see what you guys are all crying about on YouTube. You guys were just doing it for YouTube.
Yeah.
It's actually not bad.
This
And I
is
used
light.
This
everything.
is good. Like, I'm about to take a pack home.
Yeah,
Like, this is good.
I would eat this again. I would eat this again.
Free Chick-fil-A. Oh, it's actually really good.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, Julie says okay. Should
I
hide
got
it?
heartburn.
So did I. My chest is on fire.
Okay, so the way they were acting, like the other day I watched Quite Perry them do it. The way they're acting, you would swear.
It's spicier.
Maybe
It
they
was
got
spicy.
it 2 times hot.
So let's
Ta-da! Pass me milk.
Right, you didn't get
My
milk.
lips are burning.
She got Coca-Cola.
That's gonna be worse.
I don't know. I love the feeling. Finish.
That was light. I thought
Yeah,
I
it
expected
was.
more.
My mouth's burning, but it's not like how people are whining.
Yeah.
Why was the chicken wings hotter than this?
Right?
Yo, my mom made chicken wings. What? Yes,
No, first of all, who told Jaleesa? So I asked for Frank's red hot sauce. Why did she get extra hot?
No.
And obviously, because the Frank's red hot sauce, the regular
Okay,
one,
that in my mouth.
the thing is red. She gets the black one. Obviously, you
I
know
don't
the
know the
black one
difference.
is
No,
hot.
Julissa
She said
got
it's
purpose.
not.
I didn't know
She
the
said
difference.
it's
She's like this. She's like, I didn't know. Smiling. I'm just like, yo, when I bit into it, I'm like, I've eaten buffalo wings and I wasn't going nowhere, and I don't even like pepper. Those ones you couldn't even. Ooh.
This was mad light though.
Yeah.
I gotta eat this again. For
This was light. My lips were just burning me.
Mm-hmm. Actually, the corners in my mouth. Maybe because I was like,
this girl trying to get her Chick-fil-A.
yeah, a real mukbanger.
Ooh. Yeah. So
maybe we low key should have cooked like our own. It probably would have been.
Yeah.
But
because she had the
because the spice was being spread out.
throughout.
You put the 2 packets in one, right? Okay.
Well, thank you guys for watching. They're Liars on YouTube. The black bag is not spicy at all. Maybe we should try the red bag one day, the 2 times spicy, and see how that feels. But right now, it's okay. And I have Caucasian taste buds, so if I'm bearing it, you can bear it too.
This milk tastes so good.
I don't like milk.
I don't like milk. For real.
We did it under
5 minutes.
Under 5 minutes.
Oh wow.
I was like
55 seconds left to go.
Yeah, so YouTube, you hyped this up. You hyped this up, but it wasn't worth the hype.
Throwing it.
Okay, so that's all. Thank you guys.
Stay tuned. I'm about to be posting some videos on my channel very soon.
Follow her.
It is a process. And I'll make sure everything's right for you guys, which is why I've been taking my time. But just look out for it. I got you.
Yeah. So you guys follow her, please. Everything could be underneath in the description box. If you like this video and want to see more videos like this, like, comment, and
subscribe.
Yeah.
Go suck your mother.
That too.
Bye.